Good morning everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into Vechain. Once again, thank you for your continued support on the channel here and all the really nice comments we get across the board and on the videos that it's helping you. And I get so many private messages on Telegram as well from people saying, you know, thanks a lot, you've really helped me and you've improved my trading skills and I can look at charts and I've never looked at things before, and it's great, and that's it. And just obviously with that information, just keep teaching yourself, because I can only teach you so much, okay? I only know so much, and then at least I've opened the door to you and you can walk through it and you can just sort of take on that level of education there and keep marching onwards and upwards. And obviously if you create the skill sets, then do pass on the torch and share your skills with others, okay? So it's all good, it's all good. We are in a bull market, just to confirm, we are in a bull market, okay? And we are looking golden for continuation. We are back testing levels of support across the board. Just want to reassure people, and you will see these corrections. It's all good, it's all part of the process, okay? So it's all good. But we're going to dive into Vechain right now, and you can see that Vechain is super strong, super solid. It's not broken out of this ascending triangle. It's doing really well. Again, like I said to you, you're going to get caught in this triangle, and look, you're still bullish on the EMAs. Look at the EMAs there, super bullish. Okay, it's a 4-hourly time frame. Okay, look where you're getting your level of support. Okay, when you start seeing the close outside of this ascending triangle, that is when, and the close, I mean when the full body of the candle, like this candle down there, is below this line. Okay, the full body of the candle is below the line. Then yeah, okay, you're looking at this pattern and this continuation trend being invalid. But you know, so far we're golden, because what you're doing, you're being supported by the EMAs. You're in a bullish cross. You know, yesterday when I said that this coming together of the EMAs is a really good thing, because you get this repel and it pushes you up, and look, you got that repel there and it pushed you up, and we were looking at taking out that high. So at the minute you can see that Vechain is having a good go at this high and it's trying to get through it, but it's struggling. So what it needs a bit of pressure on it, where it comes up like this, okay, and you get the EMAs and they force it, they squeeze it into a pop, basically like a pressure can. And it just pops it out and gives it that pressure, okay, to move on. And now obviously you see the volume step in as well, because at the minute there's not much volume there. You want to see this high level of volume where you're getting this push, okay? But at the moment I've got nothing negative to say about Vechain. It's a thing of beauty. It's acting really well off support. You're in a bullish momentum, bullish uptrend on the 4-hourly EMAs here. It's looking golden, okay? It's looking golden for continuation. But again, nothing I say is financial advice, and nothing I say, you know, should be taken as financial advice. And obviously we can break down. Obviously, you know, you can see a breakdown, fallout, and many projects do that, where they look golden, they're going up, they look brilliant, and then they just break down. And that unfortunately is the nature of the beast of crypto, and I'm sure you're all fully aware right now, okay? What we're seeing this morning as well, I'll always be honest and truthful with you, okay? You are in a bull market, okay? And when you know you're not in a bull market is when things are breaking through the EMAs on the daily, on the 55 on the daily, they're losing that, and they're losing the 20 daily on the week, the 20 EMA on the weekly. When you start seeing your projects do that, okay, that's when you know, okay, I'm away. Unless you've got the signal to walk away already, when you're going super parabolic, when everything's going vertical like this, when everything's going vertical like that, because that time will come. Mark my words, okay? Remember, CoinsKid said that when things are going vertical, you walk away. You walk away, you take your profit, you leave, you get out, and you sit on the sidelines, because that, when you're seeing that, it's going to be awesome. I'm not going to lie to you. You're going to be like, whoa, I'm making so much money, everything's just going up, it's amazing. When it's doing that, get out, okay? Get out. Not financial advice, but a bit of common sense should tell you, yeah, I'm gonna walk away at this point, because you know, and you could walk away and it just continues going, but at least you've took a bit of common sense and you've took profits. Because I've seen so many people, you know, that didn't walk away in the previous bull run, and I was talking to a chap yesterday on the Telegram group there that held Ethereum this entire time. You know, he bought like 3 Ethereum or something like that, and he watched it go from the previous all-time high at $1,400. He watched it go to $80. Okay, so he watched his wallet go all the way down, He's held and he's come back, and that's great, because that will happen as well. If you don't want to walk away and cash out, and you want to just keep accumulating, then so be it. That's entirely up to you. You do what you want to do, because it will come back. Okay, but I want to forewarn you, there is a lot of hype and a lot of shit coins in the space right now. Okay. And there's a lot of hype around these projects that have not got products and they're not delivering, and it's all hype, okay? They're the sort of ones that you do necessarily want to walk away from, okay, when it starts to go vertical. So just a little bit of advice there, but anything I do say should not be taken as financial advice. It's all for trading and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so enough rambling on, let's dive into Vechain. As I said to you, it's looking good, it's looking really healthy. Okay, so at the moment, you know, just to clarify, that Vechain is looking really healthy in my opinion. Not financial advice, but it is looking strong, and you are marching on towards this apex right now. So it's exciting times, for Vechain, because it is marching on towards this apex. Okay, like this, right, and a breakout is imminent. So what we'll do, we'll have a quick zoom out, because always zoom out. Okay, I want to see where the daily 20 EMA is on the daily time frame there, because I do suspect that what's happening here as well, you've got this level, it's like a level of consolidation. It's just allowing the 20 EMA to catch up with Vechain on the daily time frame. Let's have a look where that is. So yeah, it is, it's creeping up with the price. Okay, and that's great, you can see you've had a few touches off that. Okay, you've had that touch there, that breakdown, that touch there, and it is creeping up, and that's really healthy. That's really good to see. That's what you want. So effectively, yeah, you are caught in this ascending triangle. You can see that it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and it is going to force a move. Okay, and it's not 100% always to the upside. I just want to make you aware of that. But what is confluence is the fact that you've got a lot of stuff that's broken down, obviously with the Bitcoin correction, but Vechain is just not actually breaking down that much. Okay, it's acting off support and it's moving up, bullish on all time frames. Okay, that's another really important factor. You're bullish on all time frames because of the EMAs. Okay, so you're completely bullish, and no reason to think otherwise for Vechain. Okay, so that's a quick update for Vechain. Not much I can say on Vechain other than the fact that you are bullish, and we are moving closer and closer towards this apex. And you can see it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter, and what this is just coiling up. So what you need to see is it gets closer like that. Okay, you need to see the volume step in to push it and break us out of this apex above and beyond to this level here. And like I said to you, it's not going to go there overnight. You'll see it break up, back test the support, because you always want to see that. Okay, so if you're not in a trade at the moment and you're thinking, you know, I'm going to long Vechain from that point 20%, right? What you want to do is look at the confirmation of that pattern in place. So when it goes up and it breaks out, look for the back test of support, because you always want to see that. Okay, that back test, because it can go up, okay, and then fall back and then invalidate it and start falling back through, and you've opened a long position. The good confirmation of support is the fact that it goes through, back test the support, starts to march on. It's a great golden opportunity to, you know, because that's your target out of the ascending triangle there, and then multitude of patterns that we've found to validate that as confluence. So all good. I'll catch you tomorrow in Vechain update. Have a really good day, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.